Hi everyone and welcome to this session on JMeter beginner tutorial. So this is going to be a series on JMeter and we will be going step by step in very basic manner on how to install JMeter and then how to configure it and how to use it for various performance testing needs. Okay, so I'll be showing you this session and this tutorial on JMeter, and because JMeter is a Java application, so it is platform independent. You do not have to worry on the platform or the operating system you are using, whether you are using a Mac or a Windows. It will not matter because JMeter is a Java application, so it will run similar on all the operating systems. The only difference in uh, Windows and Mac will be the way we start JMeter, and I will show you exactly how do we do that. So let us begin and let us see how exactly we install JMeter. Okay, so step one will be you have to check Java is installed on your system. Okay, so this is kind of a prerequisite for having JMeter working on your system. So you have to check whether Java is already there on your system or not. Uh, there are most probably chances that you will have Java on your system, and to check it you just have to go to command prompt and say Java space hyphen version. So if you are on a Windows, you can go to your command prompt and say Java space hyphen version and click enter. It will show you the Java version you have, right? In case you are not getting this Java version and the rest of the message, that means Java either is not installed or you have not set the environment variables, and I'll have a separate video to cover that topic, but as of now we just have to check whether Java is installed or not. So here I can see Java version 8 is already installed. So for JMeter latest version you need Java 7 or higher. So in my Windows I am good. Let me see on my Mac. Again I go to my terminal here, and here again I say Java space hyphen version, and here again I am saying Java version 7 is already installed, so I'm good on my Mac as well. Okay, so in case you do not get this message, then do not worry, I'll have a separate video for step by step installing Java on your system, whether it's a Mac or Windows, and I will provide a link as well in description. For now, let's suppose you have Java installed on your system. So we move to step number 2, which is download JMeter from the internet. So go to your browser and go to Google and say download JMeter. The very first option that we have is Apache JMeter, download Apache JMeter. I'm just clicking here and I am navigated to this JMeter page where you have these binaries, and you can take this zip file and it will get downloaded to your system. As of now I am cancelling this because I already have this. So this will be a zip file and you have to unzip this. So step number 3 is unzip and keep JMeter folder at any location on your system. Okay, so you can keep it at any location. On my Windows I have kept it at this in this folder in this location, and on my Mac I have kept into my tools folder here. Okay, so I have unzipped it and kept it into this location. So now you have unzipped and you have kept the JMeter folder at any location on your system. Then step number 4 will be start JMeter. Okay, now here is a little difference in Windows and Mac. If you are on Windows, okay, so for Windows you have to go to your JMeter folder, and inside that there will be a bin folder, and inside the bin folder there will be a file called as jmeter .bat, and you just have to click that bat file and JMeter will start. So if I go to my Windows, this is my JMeter folder, and inside this we have a bin folder, and here I'll have a file called jmeter.bat. You can see it, this is here, right? So I'm just I'll double click this bat file, and it might ask you some uh, dialog box. You can run this, and you can see this is actually starting JMeter, and soon you will see the JMeter window coming up, and this is our JMeter. So you see the home window of JMeter where we can start creating our test plans. Okay, now if you are on a Mac, then the only difference is for Mac is, again you have to go to terminal. In this case, you can open your terminal window and then go to JMeter, and again the bin folder wherever it is, and then you have to say sh jmeter.sh. So here instead of bat file you will have an sh file. So if I go to my JMeter folder and I go to bin folder, you can see jmeter.sh is here, right? So instead of double clicking here, I'll go to my terminal. I am starting my terminal at the same location where this bin folder is, and I am saying sh jmeter.sh, and again it will do the same thing. It will start the JMeter window, and I can see this is the same window. Okay, so this was the only difference in starting JMeter between Windows and Mac. The rest of the things will exactly be the same, because now we have the same JMeter running on both the operating systems, and because it's a Java application, so it is platform independent. So in the coming series, we are going to look at how exactly we will use JMeter, configure JMeter for various kinds of performance testing. Hope you liked it. Thank you.